We all hate it. Nobody wants to do it. But, we find a lot of times that very rarely do people walk around the outside of their house, until they see something that's, to a certain degree where it's a significant problem. It's deteriorated beyond a point of, we'll just fix that area. So again, we have a million things going on. Our time's pulled in a million different directions just as people living today. But taking a stroll around your house, really taking a look at things, I hate to say it, it's gonna be an unpopular thing, budgeting for repairs because then it's inevitable unless you have a ironclad exterior, which I don't know what that is these days. You're going to have to budget for home improvement repairs. But it just, starts with being proactive, taking a look around your house every once in a while, every couple months, seeing what's the status of things, seeing if you see any areas of, particular concern or maybe future problems. You kind of see something on the horizon developing. That's pretty much the best way to stay ahead of it.